Hi guys, holiday weekend for many. Just a quick heads up, I'm going to be doing a series of videos over the weekend about Heikin Ashi Candles and the benefits of using these over normal candlesticks. Just want to highlight something to you because it's a bank holiday weekend. In America, we've got a Memorial Day, across Europe, well, England especially, spring bank holiday. What I'm doing is running an offer for people who want to come and join my community. It's a 20% discount off the normal membership price. If you want to take that, well, that will last until midnight Monday. If you want to take advantage of it, go down the link below. It's 20% discount off memberships are already built into my website. It would be nice to have you on board. But just a heads up, we're going to do some videos this weekend as well on Heikin Ashi and how to get into trends, how to get out of trends, how to do reversals, how to do breakouts. And generally, the world of Heikin Ashi will be this weekend. We'll include a bit of fractals into that. We'll include some EMAs into that, and we'll give you lots of tips on how to trade in the world of Heikin Ashi in the way that I trade. And I'll tell you what, this a quick flick. Let's share a screen and show you what I actually mean by the candles. What we're going to do, we're going to show you how good these candles are with, finding nice little trends. People say market does not go in trends, or it doesn't trend most of the time. Rubbish. Markets trend all the time in all different periods. They might not trend on daily or weekly, but from 5 minutes, 1 minute, for day traders, you can always find a trend, so you should always be using Heikin Ashi candles. I'm going to show you how to identify a fantastic breakout opportunity. Fantastic break opportunity, one there, another one here, another one here. They are all over the place when you use Heikin Ashi candles. Don't forget to look out for the first part on Heikin Ashi, the introduction this weekend. I will be releasing that, followed by how to actually use Heikin Ashi. So hope you enjoyed that very quick flick. Don't forget, running a great discount this weekend, 20% off membership. I look forward to seeing you potentially on the other side. If you don't, no problem at all. Please like and subscribe, because the world of Heikin Ashi is coming your way in 4 parts. Speak to you soon. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.